welcome you to this beautiful condo in downtown Bellevue. This unit is over 1,500 square feet. The owner did a complete renovation with amazing finishes and really fabulous system upgrades. So right now we're in the great room, and I love the space for entertaining. You can really host a pretty large group here, and you also have a fabulous dining space and a bar area right behind. Some of the really fun finishes that they did a wood detail on the ceiling. They did a beautiful porcelain tile that has this whole like ocean effect. Another feature I love about the great room is the in-wall fireplace. It just creates this very soothing, serene effect. This owner also installed a custom ambient lighting system and a custom Sonos sound system. So your ability to really set the ambiance when you're entertaining or you're just relaxing after work is absolutely amazing. So now let's go check out what they did in the kitchen. The clean lines continue right into the kitchen. They used beautiful quartz for the counters and the kitchen island. The appliances all have custom cabinetry in front, so everything is just seamless and really flows nicely. And I love this waterfall feature. It's just so relaxing. This space offers tons of storage, and then you also have a really nice eating bar. One of the things I love about this condo is this feature wall that they did with this beautiful tile, the metal pieces, and then this custom lighting that's programmable. So you can set the color depending on your mood. So now we're in the primary suite, and really the serene environment just continues right in here. They brought the finishes from the great room into the suite. You have this beautiful fireplace. And then the bathroom is amazing. It has a fabulous shower that has aromatherapy, chromotherapy, and a custom sound system that you can control everything from your phone. Plus it has natural stone, and it's so light and bright. Some of the other features that we really love in here, you have great closet space, you have another workspace in here, and then also you have access to the terrace. So now I'm going to show you another space we love. This unit has 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. One of the bedrooms is a perfect setup for a work from home space, which is how the owner uses this space. I love it because it has a pocket door so you can look out to the view, take a break in between your Zoom calls, and then with the amenities in the building, you can get in a quick workout. There's even a pool. So really there's nothing missing. The owner has thought of everything. This unit is located in Bellevue Pacific Tower, and this is a very special building in downtown Bellevue. It has a 24-hour concierge, which is really rare for a downtown Bellevue building. Mostly you have to go to Seattle to find that level of service. There's conference rooms that you can reserve, a community room with a kitchen if you want to entertain a really large group. And this unit comes with 2 parking spaces and its own private EV charger. This is one of the prime locations in downtown Bellevue. You're so close to Main Street and the wonderful restaurants there, and also super close to dining and shopping at the Bellevue Collection, and just minutes from the downtown Bellevue Park. We would love to be able to show this to you in person, so send us a DM or reach out to us at the office and we'll schedule a private showing.